In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms personnels sujets, but we'll see more precisely tu. So, what are les pronoms personnels sujets? Subject pronouns in French are used to replace and represent the subject of a sentence. They vary based on the person, number, singular or plural, and sometimes gender, masculine or feminine. So, this lesson is about tu, and the subject pronoun tu can be translated in English with the informal singular version of you, used for addressing one person you are familiar with. So let's see some examples with tu. Tu marches dans le parc. Tu marches dans le parc. Tu étudies le français. Tu étudies le français. Tu aimes la musique classique. Tu aimes la musique classique. Tu habites près de la gare. Tu habites près de la gare.